Have you been sitting around lately wondering what it would be like to be free, wild, and have the wind in your hair? Or maybe you see that cool neighbor across the street riding a weird three-wheel looking thing and want to know what it's like to ride one. Well, let me tell you how to do just that. Can-Am has a yearly event called the Can-Am Experience. At these events, you have the chance to ride one of the Can-Am Spyder or Rikers for an hour with a group guided by an expert and experience what it is like to ride one. All you have to do is sign up online to a location near you and schedule a ride time available, answer a few questions, then arrive early the day you are scheduled. When you go, they will take you through how to start, use, and ride the bike of your choice and ensure you know how to use it. They then have you do a quick course to ensure that you can ride it, and then you're off. You will be following the group leader on the road and get to see what it's like to ride the Can-Am three-wheel lineup. So all you have to do is go to the site, the link will be in the description, follow the instructions, then just wait to have fun. Hurry though, because the slots get filled quickly and they are locations for limited time only. Don't get stuck sitting around waiting for next year.